is drowning. They need to be oozing. We put the whole baby on it. Maybe not enough.
Talak na ito.
Like, man, we got that kind of thing with your sriracha mayo soup. That's nasty. Wait, where you at?
Pray for them.
Ooh,